All right, well, here we are. We just fired up that 69 RS400, and you can see we are breathing some stuff, but it's going to clear up and run great. Right, guys? Hallelujah. All right.